Have you replaced your iPhone with a third-party battery, or non-officially sold battery? Some models are in normal use, without any problems. But some models will pop up a message. Unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. We can go to Google to find a lot of information or videos. The answer that appears the most times is to transplant the genuine battery BMS board. However, some models are not feasible with this method. How terrible is it? Today, Taoyuan will make a summary about how to solve battery pop-up message, as well as battery health failure when replacing the third-party battery for iPhone. For A11 CPU and below iPhone models: iPhone 10, iPhone 8 series, iPhone 7 series, iPhone 6s series, iPhone 6 series, iPhone 5 series, iPhone SE etc. There will be no pop-up messages and battery health problem on these models, and you can replace third-party batteries with confidence. For A12 CPU iPhone models: iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XR. These models will pop up a message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. After 15 days, pop-up message will disappear. But battery health will remind repair and cannot display battery efficiency. After replacing third-party battery for A12 CPU series iPhone, transplant the original battery BMS board to the new battery and the battery pop-up warning message will disappear. Unfortunately, this solution is not perfect. Battery efficiency value is still the genuine battery's value. To solve it perfectly, we can revise battery efficiency by programmer. For example, W28 Pro, or JCIDV1S Power Programmer. For A13, A14 CPU iPhone models: iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11. These models will pop up a message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. After 15 days, pop-up message will disappear. But battery health will remind repair and cannot display battery efficiency. For A13, A14 CPU series iPhone, now cannot revise battery efficiency by programmer directly. You need to use the Chen-Li copy power with a special flex. Option 1. Tag on flex solution. Option 2. Built-in flex solution. For A15 CPU iPhone models: iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini. Now the market doesn't have any solution to revise iPhone 13 series battery efficiency. We can solve pop-up battery warning message for iPhone 13 series by transplanting BMS board. But battery efficiency still cannot be changed. If there is a new solution in the future, we will quickly make a video and publish it. Please subscribe to our channel and keep following us.